Today I'm going to be reviewing VICSOM Pet Anti-Chew Bitter Spray Bitter Apple Spray. This is it right here. When you get it, you do need to shake it up. I'm going to show you if this works with my dogs. I actually had one of my dogs eat a bag of chocolate. I'm not going to have that happen again. But anything that they might chew, toys, any surfaces you don't want them to chew on, this will work. So I've got an experiment here to see if this is going to work. I'm going to spray this on a totally used bag of bacon bits, which I know my dogs will like. Let's see if this works. There's the bag right there opened up. Probably should not be spraying this near the floor, but I'm still going to give it a try, as you can see. Come on over here. Roomba Miley. Come on over here. Come here, girls. Go get it, baby. Here, Miley, come here. Miley, right here. Miley, right here.
They thought I was tricking them, but I think it worked. So it has a scent that they don't like. So they go up to it, they smell it. They're like, no, I don't want this. Just remember, when you get a behavior that you want, they stop chewing whatever. You want to give them a treat to have positive reinforcement. This does really well on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice, and last month it sold over 700 plus. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.